In space, they are the law. They're mad, bad, and dangerous to know. They are the core. Protecting Megacity One's extraterrestrial interests, the Space Corps are the military arm of Justice Department, battle-hardened Marines filling vast fleets of spaceships that bring justice to the cosmos. Although originally mooted back during the development of the Judge Dredd fortnightly in the 1980s, the Space Corps officially began in 1994. Written by Garth, Ennis and Cy Spence with art by Colin McNeil, Paul Marshall and Don D. Cox, the Fireteam One story was a troubled response to an editorial request for a war story featuring space judges. A team of Marines trying to undermine an alliance between the Chinese and the alien Kleggs, Fireteam One was filled with cadets pulled out of the Academy of Law after showing abnormal levels of violence, who were then trained solely to kill. Editorial interference with his scripts saw Ennis rapidly lose interest, and the series had to be finished by Spencer. It's typically over-the-top mid-90s fare full of macho stereotypes, heavy violence and military banter, but it has a certain bombastic charm to it. The idea of space judges is too good an idea to let go, and the Space Corps have popped up periodically ever since, notably in Robbie Morrison and Colin McNeil's Maelstrom, John Wagner and Kev Walker's Mandroid, and Dan Abnett and Colin McNeil's Insurrection. A vat-grown, genetically engineered Space Corps soldier called Armin Gill even turned up as a covert ops assassin, claiming to be acting on the orders of the Chief Judge herself. The Corps were later recalled to Megacity One after the Day of Chaos to assist with peacekeeping, which brought them into conflict with their Earthbound colleagues and virtually boiled over into all-out war. Published in 2000 AD, Progs 918 to 923, Fireteam One was reprinted in 2000 AD Extreme Edition 17 and Volume 76 of Judge Dredd The Mega Collection, where you can pick up collections of stories such as The Chief Judge's Man and Insurrection from 2000 AD's web shop and apps. We're coming back down to Earth from outer space next week on the 2000 AD ABC as we go into the Undercity to meet the malevolent mutant known as the Creep.